Hey everyone, it's Sheri Hill with eXp Realty, and welcome to this beautiful home in Apple Valley, California. This home has been loved and cared for from day one from the original owner. It's move-in ready, offers plenty of space inside and out, and sits on nearly a half an acre right here in the high desert. Let's take a quick tour so you can see what this one just might be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to reach out to me if you are considering buying or selling here in Southern California. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high desert listings and community highlights.